Heyo, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronsah, also known as Sasa, and today we are going to be blow drying my hair. I am going to show you guys my routine and give you guys some tips. I usually wash my hair a day before I blow dry, so that is an important tip to do. I just don't like the whole wash day process and then blow dry right after. I do not have time for that. So I blow dry my hair in very small sections. Now, this is important. The products that you use when blow drying your natural hair. When blow drying, your hair should be damp but not completely soaking wet. So I mist my hair with water and then I use my heat protectant to prevent any heat damage. And all you need is like 1 spritz or 2 spritz, and that will be enough per section. You can also use a tiny bit of leave-in conditioner, but I chose not to today. I just use heat protectant. And the blow dryer I am using is called the Revere. So I spray some water and then I go in with my heat protectant, detangle, then I get my Revere. I put it on speed 7. For each section, I put the Revere on for at least 30 to 60 seconds and it comes out really smooth. Sometimes I circle it around my roots to make sure it comes out super flat. I don't want too many braids because that will take a long time to take down. So I'm just adding this section to the braid. My hair is getting so long, y'all. Look at this length. I put my sections back in braids so it doesn't frizz up. Maintain my hair until I finish the blow dry. Here are a few tips for when you are blow drying. Tip 1. Make sure that you are using a heat protectant. You really don't want to risk getting heat damage, and make sure not to have the heat setting too high for your hair. Number 2 would be to blow dry your hair in smaller sections. The bigger sections won't be as smooth and will just not give you the best results. Number 3, make sure your hair is fully detangled before blow drying. You do not want your hair to come out a tangled mess. Lastly, the key is patience. Being patient when blow drying your natural hair is crucial to prevent damage. Patience ensures a gentle and effective process, maintaining your hair's health and texture. like to blow dry my natural hair because it speeds up the drying process for me, and I could style my hair a lot faster when my hair is blow dried. It helps reduce frizz, add volume, and create a smoother, sleeker finish to my hair, which I love. Halfway done with my hair. Well, halfway done blow drying it. Yeah. Ooh. I gotta take a look at the ends. And then time to braid it up. So as I mentioned, the blow dryer I am using is called the Revere, and I just love it. I get really smooth results from it. It uses reverse air technology to basically stretch out the hair and uses minimal heat, which I love. This hair dryer can be used on all hair types, but make sure to figure out which setting you would like to use when it comes to speed and how high or low you would like the heat. And the dryer is heavy though, I must admit. Okay, so now I am done with the braids. I will unbraid them. Didn't take much long either, which is why I love the Revere. It is very fast. Here I'm taking out the braids to show you guys how my hair looks completely blow dried. Afterwards, I'm going to do my twist routine on it. I like doing twists on stretched hair because it does minimize tangles for me and it does last longer. I usually wear my twists for about 2 to 3 weeks. So stay tuned, I will make a twist routine video soon. So here are the final results. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Bye guys.